Hey guys, I'm Brent. Welcome to the Daily Devo. Today, we're going to discuss why your words matter. Many of us have learned as kids the famous nursery rhyme that says, "Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me." Well, the older I get, the more I realize that rhyme sounds good, but it's completely wrong. As a matter of fact, Scripture has so many references regarding the importance of controlling the words we use. And the reason why it's important is because your words have the power to either build a person up or completely tear a person down. Depending on what you say and how you say it, things could get ugly really quickly. In Proverbs 51, here's what it says. It says, "A gentle answer deflects anger, but harsh words make tempers flare." Here's my challenge to you and I today. I want you to think about what you're going to say before you actually say it. You see, sometimes you and I can inadvertently offend someone or hurt someone with our words unintentionally. And that's why it's important that you and I watch this become very intentional regarding on not only what we communicate, but also how we communicate. You see, we live in a time where everyone is making arguments regarding what they believe matters. But you know what else matters? Your words. So let's be intentional on how we use them.